Have you ever had an app that has been broken for weeks and no one knew about it? By then, you might already be losing weeks of revenue. Trako is here to change that. It is a Slack agent that will detect issues from your error tracking platforms, your project management systems, Git repositories, and logs to suggest a fix. You might be wondering, what's different about Trako compared to the many other agents out there? The difference is that other agents fix code reactively. Someone has to first notice an issue, and it goes through a long chain before it gets passed to the engineers. Trako is proactive and it closes the loop. It detects the issue automatically, look through all of your systems to see where the issue can be coming from, then suggest a fix. It will also verify the results. When you connect Trako to Sentry, it automatically gets notified whenever an error occurs. From there, it pulls in extra context from Linear to check for any recent issues or tickets that might be related. It can also look through GitHub to see whether a recent commit might have caused the problem, then review your CloudWatch logs to build a more complete picture of what happened. By bringing all of that context together, Trako can suggest far more accurate fixes than single system prompts. And not just that, but if this is a bug that you can see in the user interface, then it will actually open the site up in a browser and create a video to verify whether the issue is actually fixed. Let's see it in action. An alert was automatically sent to Trako in Slack when there's an error on the website. It's currently investigating by looking through the GitHub for recent commits, CloudWatch logs, and Linear to see what caused the error. Let's see what Trako's analysis shows. It summarized what was broken, the exact error that Sentry was detecting, what recent commit had been made in GitHub, and also how that was linked to the recent error. It suggested that in order to fix it, we can revert the previous bad commit. It gave us two options to move forward. We can have Trako fix the issue and help us verify it in a browser. Or we can ask Trako to open a pull request instead so that we can look at the code changes. I'm going to choose for it to fix and verify the issue in the browser. It is now trying to fix it by updating the checkout code so that the total will be displayed correctly. If it didn't work, it would suggest a different way to fix it and then go through verification again. It looks like the fix worked. Trako sent a recording of the test in the browser. We can open the video and see that the cart total is now displaying correctly, and you can place an order without errors. So not only was Trako able to fix the issue, but it also verifies it and show you the result, all without leaving Slack. Trako also creates a postmortem canvas that summarizes what caused the error, how it was fixed, and how it can be prevented in the future. It also suggested for unit tests to be implemented to prevent regression. The context from this canvas will be very useful in informing engineering best practices. It will also provide information for Slackbot. For example, if the engineering manager wants a summary of what recent issues occurred and how it was fixed, Slackbot can refer back to the canvases. This is how it was built. Trako the agent is backed by Claude, and it's connected to Sentry using a webhook. So when Sentry detects an issue, it will send the alert to Trako. Trako is also connected to GitHub, CloudWatch, and Linear through their MCP servers to get all the context that it needs to investigate. This pattern can be extended to other tools like Datadog, Jira, GitHub, and Bitbucket in the future. Thank you so much for watching.